Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. Today we are going to unbox this LGA 1700 socket CPU holder. It's they call it the Grizzly or something like that. So this is the thermal take. It's a Thermalright. Yes, a Thermalright CPU holder. So this is inside the box. So as you can see it, there is some paste, a thermal paste TF7, Thermalright TF7, and then some for the screws, and then you have the holder itself. So this is a holder from aluminium. So as you can see it, it's quite cold. If you feel this is quite cold. And then you have here the box. So inside the box there is some manual, I think. Yes, yes. The CPU already has to be onto it. So the paste I go to do later, because right now I still don't have the correct cooler, but I go to take the screwdriver, how you call it. Voila. And then the Grizzly bar. Voila. So this is the Grizzly bar. Yes. Voila. We just unscrew the thing. Voila. Okay. The screw is still not loose, this one. So I go to turn it a little bit more. Voila. Don't lose the screws because you need it. I go to put the screws here. Voila. This is the metal holder. Voila. I think I will have to remove the complete motherboard, I think, because the thing fell down to it. There is a metal bracket below, and I see it is fallen. I go to try it. Voila. But I'm quite sure it will not work. No. No. I will have to remove the complete motherboard because the metal fell down to it. So first we go to do the Oculink. Voila. We remove the Oculink. Yeah. And then there are a few screws everywhere. For security, I go to put the CPU holder screws onto it, because then it cannot move. The screws hold it in place on the upper side. So I go to remove this also. Or no, that's not needed. So be advised, always the plate, put it on the table, not inside of the computer, because yeah, as you see it fell down. So I go to make a little bit more place. Yes, I go to put it on a bigger screen. Are all the screws removed? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I see no more screws. So I go to take it out. Here you see the plate. Here you see the plate. So this is the LGA plate. I go to put it a few minutes here. So this is the LGA plate. And then we have to put this onto it. Okay, it will be a little bit more difficult. Okay. Voila, now it holds it. Now it holds it. Voila. 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 You don't have to tighten it very hard. Huh? If you cannot twist anymore, then that's more than enough. Voila. You don't have to push it too hard. Just twist a little bit. Voila. This is more than tight enough. Voila. As you can see it. Yes, I still have to put I have to put a cooler onto it, but I still don't have it. So I go to do this on a later time. But as you can see it, I just mounted the, yeah, I just mounted it. So this is a Grizzly bar, and then with the paste we go to put, this is 2 grams, that's more than enough. We go to make a cross like this, voila, and then we put the cooler onto it. But we first go to check if the cooler fits before we go to apply it, because if we apply the paste and the cooler doesn't fit, then air holes can get into it, and then we have to remove the paste and apply new paste. So always do that correctly from the first time. Always make a cross, not too much, a cross, and then put the cooler onto it. Then it sucks out all the air, and then it's very tight. You understand? So yeah. So this is the Grizzly bar. I really like it. It feels very cold also. I think it can help a lot with do heat away. So yes. I will put the other thing onto it, so I will put the video together. So please wait, I go to put the video onto it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are giving away nice prizes like laptops, Bluetooth stuff, computer stuff, all kind of stuff, memory, USB sticks, SSDs, you name it, and we have it. We give it away for free. You only have to subscribe to our channel, and then yeah, when you win something, you will get notified. So only don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it.